The switch statement is used when a variable or expression needs to be compared against multiple possible values. It's often cleaner and easier to read than writing many else-if statements. The switch statement is useful when a program needs to choose between several options based on the value of a variable. Each option is written as a case, and the value is checked one by one. The switch statement begins with the keyword switch, followed by the value or expression in parentheses. Inside the curly braces, each possible match is written as a case. If the value matches a case, the code inside that case runs. Each case usually ends with the break statement. The break statement tells the program to exit the switch block after the matched code runs. Without break, the program will continue running the next cases, which can cause unexpected behavior. The default section is used to handle any values that do not match any of the given cases. It works like the else part of an if-else statement. The default section is optional, but it is a good idea to include it to cover all possible values. For example, if a number variable is compared using a switch statement and the value does not match any case, the code inside default will run. This makes the program more reliable and helps avoid errors. The switch statement improves the readability of code when there are many conditions based on the same variable. It helps organize the code and makes it easier to understand compared to writing many if-else-if statements.